They got me in here after hours, y'all. That's what my drink looking like. Alright, first time trying boba. Strawberry boba with strawberry poppers. Let's see how it tastes. These just taste like strawberry. Tastes like strawberry milk. I give it an 8.9. Half mozzarella, half beef, corn dog. I can smell the red 40. Let's try it out. They just closed down. The owner told the crew member to stay here and to make me this food fresh. So again, thank you, Mochi Cafe. I'm talking about, there's nobody in here. Let me try this last macaron. I'll try the green one. I don't like these. These just taste like sugar. Now we gonna try this cookie. Oh shit. I'm gonna give the cookie 9 out of 10. It's a good cookie.